Okay, so today messing with REST API some. What I did is I came to the manual of the SIG 350, and what I did is I'm getting the process data, and I wanted to dump that into Excel. So what I did is I came to Excel, and I came to From Web. And once I entered that information in here and got my tables, should be able to see here, added the command in it. Then I went down and I broke it out into a table. And I got this value, this data, and I've got to refresh it once every minute. So I'm getting the distance value out of the W10. If I change the distance of it, you either refresh once a minute, or I can just hit refresh and it'll give me the updated distance of the W10. So no matter where I put it, it'll refresh on its own, or I can hit refresh here and it'll give me the updated distance of it. So what I had to do is I had to take each one of these from a decimal to a bin. And on this one I had to have 8 for the number of places. And then you can see here I had to add those two together to create a full word. And then right here I went from bin back to decimal. And that allows me to get the distance of the W10 over REST API with Excel.